This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life, brighten up your life.
Alright, check this out everybody. I have some coconuts. I drank the water a couple of days ago. I didn't eat the meat yet. This meat is perfect. So I'm going to take the meat of these two coconuts. And I got some medjool dates. And I want to mix that with some water and make one of the best smoothies ever. See what else I could add to it. Stay tuned. Yes, let's do this. So this is a coconut scooper. So this is gonna scoop out the coconut. I'll try to do it here and show you guys how to do this with one hand while I got the phone in the other hand. But this is an amazing tool. If you're in the southern tropics, you need to get this. So check it out now. So here's a coconut. Now typically you'd have to take a spoon, the back of a spoon, and try to just get that coconut out. This, the way it's scooped, goes right in, right under there, and scoops it right out. And unfortunately, because I'm holding the phone, I can't really do it, but I'll do it, and I'll show you what the coconut looks like. I just scooped it out, and check this out. Bam, look at that. So that goes in a blender. I'll put it in a blender with some dates. Now, I wish I had coconut water, but I drank the coconut water, so I don't have it. I'll put it in the blender with some dates, some water, and that alone will sweeten it up just perfect. I might even put a banana in there, if I have any. And you can put strawberries in there or anything. This is going to be an amazing smoothie. Stay tuned. Okay, I got in there, I put some blueberries. I didn't have any bananas, I put blueberries, coconut meat, dates, and water. And let's check this out and see how this is gonna be. Now the taste test. Wow. Wow. So good.
This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life, brighten up your life.